Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the dryer lint seal on your LG, Samsung, or other front-loading dryer. It's putting lint everywhere in our bathroom and on the dryer seal. Let's get to fixing it. Now the lint is mostly on the bottom. It doesn't really appear as much on the top. And the issue is that it's not making a full seal. Now, if you just want to clean the lint off, we recommend using a damp cloth like this. And you can do this every few loads and it really won't be a problem. That'll maintain the seal, but it really doesn't seal anything. So what we're going to do instead, after cleaning both surfaces, is we're going to put a strip of insulation around that's going to make a much tighter seal, prevent that lint from getting on the outside and into your, in our case, it's in our bathroom because that's where our washer and dryer is, or your laundry room. Now, this is the insulation that we're using. It's this type of D-shaped insulation. And the way that it works is this insulation or weather stripping comes in two pieces put together, which makes it easier for them to put it in a roll. But you're going to want to split those in half, and you're only going to need one of those D pieces to go around in a circle, and it's already got adhesive on it, so you're just going to go around in a circle to make another seal, and that's going to seal it off so much better than it was from the factory. Okay, now this is what it looks like about a quarter of the way through, and as you're going along, just do a little bit at a time, turn it a little bit, and it'll follow that circular shape without issue. Again, make sure the surface is clean, lint-free before you put that adhesive down to help it to hold there. Now, you may also want to check your door alignment. Ours was totally in line. That wasn't the issue. It's from the factory. This seal doesn't seal correctly. So this is it in our first pass all the way around, and we're going to cut it just at the top there just to make sure that it lines up perfectly end to end. Now, here's a test. Put a piece of paper, and if you can't pull it out, you know that that seal is as tight as it should be. As we looked, we noticed the gap was a little bit different between the top and the bottom. Probably explains why there was more lint on the bottom. So we wound up changing the location of the seal just to move it closer to the inside and match the profile of our seal. We really hope this helps you and gets the lint out of the air in your laundry room or bathroom. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day.